Alright, so we're gonna open this up. Really stupid idea I had. So let's just get started. Okay. Alright. Got the wheels. No, I'll just put it on the lap. This is so stupid. Why am I doing this? Okay, where's the guys in here? Holy shit, look at that. It's like bags inside of bags. Okay. Should be everything. These guys were a lot bigger. Like back when we used to play with these kind of toys. Maybe just have big hands, I don't know. Alright, let's sit down and get this started. So, guys built, then grab this thing, flip it underneath, grab two of these. You know, fun fact, I have a Lego Porsche that, like the really expensive one. I spent 6 hours building that in the same way. Okay, next you need the black 2x2 and red jumper plate. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. I'm kind of a rookie, or not really. It's just been a while. I'm kind of rusty. Rusty with my Legos. Sorry if this is all out of frame. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Okay, then we grab. That's weird. This is like, it's like offset. My computer's on the desk, or no, it's on the floor. So I have to look. Oh shit! It got out of place. I have to look really weirdly, or I have to go look at it just to know if shit is in frame, which I'm not always doing, because let's look at this. Okay, next is what is that, 5x1s? Yes. 2 5. God, this one. 2 5x1s. The ends here. Boom. Right here. Green 1x3. Yellow 1x3. I'm using my phone for this. Hopefully I have a shitty Samsung. I used to have an S9, but that shit just was ancient. So then I just bought a new phone, but that shit is like so garbage. Cause I wanted to buy like one of the 20s, like one of the Galaxy S20s, but they didn't have them at my local store. They had this shitty one. I'll put up the name on screen. Orientation doesn't matter. They're right there. I grab these. Oh, that's like the fender. I'm gonna be really disappointed if the audio doesn't turn out good. I'll just add my own sound effects afterwards. I'm trying my hardest not to put my head in camera, even though you're probably just gonna see like a fuck ton of hair. Again, I'm really sorry if nothing shows up in frame. This is hard to do. I'm not Jangbricks, whatever the fuck. That guy's still alive. That's crazy if he is. I don't mean that in like a rude way. I mean, don't listen to what I have to say ever. Are they ever gonna find the One Piece? Who knows? Okay, time for. Oh, okay. I thought something. I thought I broke off something, but no, there was a piece like. This piece like lodged in here. Again, I hope the audio is good. My voice is a bit weirdly raspy right now. I don't know why. Maybe because it's kind of embarrassing. So. Okay. 1x5s on the ends. Am I tripping? Oh no, I'm just an idiot. Which one is it needed? Or arch? Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Would you look at that? Truly am boring. Why are we doing this? Why do we do anything? Okay, so let's put these there. I'm working on something. Working on another big video. That's gonna date the shit. That's gonna. I'm gonna say it now, right? And that shit's not gonna come out for another few months. Oh, right. It's been like a few months since my last upload. It's kind of funny though that it's like some garbage like this. Garbage at this. Okay, put this. There we go. Now it's starting to take shape. Looks like looks like something. It looks like Hot Wheels, because it is. Ooh, that's a weird shape. Something I do like about like Mega Bloks is that they aren't afraid to make just weird pieces, like this. Or this is two pieces, but like that on camera. It's too lazy to focus it myself. I should put like Lego sound effects, like the Lego building ones from like the games. That looks. Yeah, at first we put the Picatinny rail, and then we put that shit like right there. Wait, what color is that? That's green. Okay. I'm losing it. Okay, then we put. Okay, I guess I should do this close to the camera. This is a bit hard with this setup. Whoa, I have really long nails. Okay, next we get. What's that? Curves. Alright, I gotta do shit in frame. So then it's like that. And then. It looks like, who's that green guy from Cars? Chick Hicks. It's like his mustache. Then it goes just like that. It's just goofy odd Chick Hicks. Put that there. Put it on the back. Slap on the wheels. I'm just gonna skip a step. Wait, that's next step, right? Alright. So, you just... that's that. Look at that. So then we get the guy. This guy looks like, feels like Daft Punk. Craft Punk, so we just plop him in there. Anyway, that's that. Please subscribe. New video in like a year.